subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has launched its new mid-range smartphone in India called Poco M2 Pro, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Redmi Note 9 Pro smartphone that was launched in March this year. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M2 Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and on the top the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 including the rear panel. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Poco M2 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a square module that includes 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad rear cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.48 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 with MIUI 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with P2I nano coating for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.75 by 76.68 by 8.8mm and it weighs around 209 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M2 Pro has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees. While the 6GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees, and the top variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country from July 14th in 2 shades of black, out of the blue, and green and greener color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.